Discover how to use the Happy Waxing Kit by Perron Rigaud. Follow our 3 simple steps. Step 1. Measure. Refer to our fabulous beads measuring chart. Easy to follow, simply use the large and small cups to measure the amount of wax beads you will need. For the arms, pour 3 large cupfuls of Happy Waxing beads into your empty pink tin. Place the tin into the heater. Never pour the wax directly into the wax warmer. Always use your pink tin. Step 2. Heat. Plug in your Happy Waxing heater. Place the lid on and flip on the switch. The wax will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes to melt. To ensure even heat and achieve a creamy texture, occasionally stir the wax with a wooden spatula. You may notice the heater's red light will turn on and off. This is normal and is maintaining the temperature of the heater. The heater will be warm to the touch, but the tin itself can become hot. Before waxing, apply a small amount of wax to your inner wrist using the spatula. If the wax is too warm, switch off the heater and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Then turn the heater back on and retest for comfort. Step 3. Clean and prepare and wax. When waxing the arms, sit on a flat, stable seat in a comfortable position. The area should be prepared with the No Mess protective sheet. Using a tissue or cotton, cleanse the area to be waxed with the Happy Waxing Clean Purifying Lotion. Notice the direction of hair growth. For best results, be sure the hair is at least 1/8 of an inch long. Prepare the skin by applying just a tiny drop of Happy Waxing Prepare Nourishing Oil. Massage the oil fully into skin. Tissue blot thoroughly. Too much oil could result in the wax not adhering properly. The hair removal of the arm is done in 3 sections, applying the wax in the direction of the hair growth. Inside of the arm, apply the wax from the inside crease of the elbow towards the wrist. Back of the forearm, bend your elbow, apply the wax from the wrist to the elbow. And for the top of the forearm, finish your waxing by applying from the inside of the forearm to the outside. Let the Happy Waxing begin. Dip the spatula into the wax. Wipe the underside of the spatula against the inner edge of the tin to remove excess wax. Roll and turn the spatula a few times to disconnect the wax and to prevent dripping. Begin waxing from the inside of the arm. Apply a small amount of Happy Waxing wax in a smooth continuous motion from the crease of the elbow towards the wrist in the direction of the hair growth. The application should be thin, leaving a thicker edge which makes the wax easier to lift when removing. Do not apply the wax too thick, it will take longer to dry. Make the edges of the wax thicker to avoid wax residue during removal. If the edge is too thin, apply a new layer of wax over to remove easily. No strips needed. Allow the wax to harden for a few seconds. Touch the wax to make sure it is dry and ready for removal. Lift the edge of the wax with your hand, staying parallel to the skin. Remove in a quick, swift movement in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Bend your elbow to wax the back of the forearm. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth from the wrist to the elbow. Remove the wax, staying parallel to the skin, in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Finally, finish waxing the top of your forearm. Apply the wax from the inside of the forearm to the outside. Staying parallel to the skin, remove the wax in a quick, swift movement in the opposite direction of the hair growth. After waxing, apply Happy Waxing Clean Purifying Lotion. Apply a drop of Happy Waxing Prepare Nourishing Oil and massage into skin to soothe and remove any wax residue. You did it! Congratulations! Flip off the switch and unplug your Happy Waxing heater. Allow time for the wax to harden. There is no need to clean out the tin. Your tin is ready for its next use. Simply add the easy-to-fill and refill Happy Waxing beads. Store your Happy Waxing heater with its lid on to protect your wax. Our tip: should wax drip on your heater, the Happy Waxing Nourishing Oil can be used to wipe it clean. Be sure to wipe down the heater as the oil can make it slippery. See you soon for your next happy waxing experience.